my subscribers. Today I want to quickly tell us something that I found out. Something that I found out that is very, very important, and I need to share it because there is something I come to find out in farming, in some of the crops, which I want to put it out there, which most people might take for granted. So what is that which I want to share in this video? Now, I am a diversified farmer. In other words, I deal on palm trees, I deal on cocoa seeds, I deal on cocoa plant, and also cocoa seedlings and also palm seedlings. And then I also have a palm farm, and then I also have a cocoa farm, and then I also have watermelon farm, which I showed us, and I also have my corn farm, which I'll be showing us in another video. And here in this place where you are seeing me seated, it is my vegetable, like pumpkin vegetable farm. That is ugu for the Igbos. It is called ugu. So now what I want to share in this video is as simple as this. How long does it take for a vegetable plant, a vegetable seed to start sprouting? How many days does it take? From your calculation on my own might not be the same. I don't know if you understand. So what I want to know is, how long does it take for it to start sprouting in your own location? Or how long does it take for a vegetable pumpkin seed to start sprouting? Let me know. If you don't know, let me quickly share out. But before I tell us, if you have watched this video to this extent, that means you are finding my videos informative, educative, and above all, what engaging. And please hit the subscribe button and share this video if you need to. Thank you so much for doing that. Now back to what we are saying. From my findings as a farmer, I came to find out that it takes nothing less than, or let's say from my own calculations, since I planted my pumpkin, I followed them carefully. If you look at it in this video, I have some which are already outgrown, and then I have some which I planted, which are exactly these days. I want to tell you exactly the time which I want to tell you if you stick to the end of this video. Now, if you look at them in this video now, you will see the ones I will show us, which I'm showing you guys now, which are already planted, and I know the days it took before it started sprouting, and this is how far they have gone. You know, understand? And these other ones which I'm showing you guys now are the ones that are upcoming, and I'm going to be telling you exactly the days which this one started sprouting as well. You understand my point? So what I want to, if you just look closely in this video, you will see them. You will see the ones which, these ones are the ones which are grown to this extent, and this is how they are doing. And if you see, this is how they are performing well. And then these other ones which you're seeing here are the ones which are still coming up. So how many days does it take? Bottom line, how many days does it take for this particular vegetable pumpkin vegetable pumpkin seed to start sprouting? Let me tell you from my own findings, it takes nothing less than, or plus or minus, in some cases, I'm going to be giving you two options. In number one, which I know, it takes 14 days for exactly vegetable pumpkin to sprout. Somebody say, sir, are you trying to say is, no. What I'm trying to say is, it takes exactly 14 days for it to sprout. Some will take 10 days, but nothing less than. No matter what you put. Yes, no matter what you, if you like put fertilizer, if you like put manure. If it's not 10 days, 14 days exactly. Now, when we are talking about 14 days, that 14 days does not mean all of them will sprout at the same time. Now, don't misquote me or don't misunderstand my point. You understand? All of them you planted in the same day, but not all of them will sprout that 14 days. But what I'm trying to let you understand is, some sprout before, and in other words, it is from 10 days to 14 days. All of them should be available. All of them should start showing up their faces by 10 to 14 days. If you say, sir, your calculations are wrong, they are not correct, no problem. And I would like to see your evidences, and I would like to see what you can show us in your video, and then tag me to see it. or if possibly mention me in the video so that I'll come and then see, and then make sure you are keeping tabs with it, because I am telling you, because I kept tabs. You understand? I kept tabs with every single thing I plant in my farm, and I'm telling you exactly 14 days. In some cases 10 days. For sure from 10 days you should start seeing, but 14 days everything don't come out. You don't understand? So if you look, just look at the video, you will see closely. I'm showing you, these are the ones which are just coming, and these are the ones I planted. And look at where these ones are just coming, and this one don't constantly meet them. So you can see, and I'm telling you that these two, the two side of this which I planted this vegetable pumpkin, they are nothing less than 10 and 14 days. They're already up, all of them. Now, if by virtue of anything, none of them came out, by reason of these days I just mentioned, that simply means the possibility of that one being alive again no day. That means that one won't die, or that means that one be no grow. So, or that one won't be no strong. So it means it was not mature enough to bear. You don't understand? So, but that is there. So that is what is there. So if you find this video informative and you say, this video is so, that's true. Okay, let me try. If you feel saying a lie, may you go try. You don't understand? May you go try, and then make we still know if there's gonna be any difference, and then keep me posted in your video so that I will be so okay. Not true. So if you find my videos informative, educative, and above all what engaging, please, you have to do one thing for us, nothing more than share, hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.